Hello and welcome to this admin session of Navigating Lightship. Nicole here, Product Manager at Lightship Works, and today I will show you how to replace all features in a layer. Please check out our other admin videos to learn more about layers. Layers show data in a clear, concise way. However, sometimes the data is incorrect, and rather than having to reconfigure the full layer, you may just want to replace the data. To replace all features in a layer, first ensure that the number, type, and name of all fields in the new data match what is already defined for the layer's original data source. The data must also have a unique field specified. Click the layer icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. From here, click the Data Sources tab. Choose the data source you would like to update. Scroll down to the Data section and click Update to update existing features or create new features. A pop-up will appear. Either drag the file from your local over the Upload a File button or click Upload a File to find the data file on your local machine. If you would like to change the file name, change it here. Click Update. The data in this data source should now be replaced with your new data. Thank you for joining another admin session of Navigating Lightship, where we showed you how to replace all features in a layer. For more helpful information or to learn more about Lightship, please visit our website at www.lightshipworks.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, Vimeo, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn for news and updates. Have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.